jobs. I like living at the intersection of humanities and technology. This describes him exactly because technology, when I looked at his biodata, I said computers, internet, all of this, and immediately there was blackout. But then I thought about it and said what he does is what we are using every day. In fact, on the Hussain Sagar yesterday, we're getting this half an hour of free Wi-Fi. So when I put it into that kind of understanding, I immediately said, oh, he's doing what is good for me. But that he is able to speak to us today on a subject also which is very interesting. He is going to tell us more himself. But he is talking about digitization of architecture, of heritage. So we will wait to see what else he has to say. He has one quote from J.R.D. Tata, which says, nothing worthwhile is ever achieved without deep thought and hard work. Ratan Tata, take the stones people throw at you and use them to build a monument. Benjamin Disraeli's famous quote, what we learn from history is that we do not learn from history. These are some of his choices on his website, which impressed me very much. Winston Churchill said, never let a good crisis go waste. And then there are Hindi, Samay Samay Balwan, Nahi Manush Balwan. I haven't read it before, so it is Kabe Arjun Lotiye, Vahi Dhanush Vahi Ban. And then a Sufi singer also. So for him to have all these interests and to still be able to contribute with Wi-Fi and internet. The last quote from his selection, it is essential for a specialist to be a deep specialist and for a leader to be a deep generalist. We in fact mentioned this on the way because often I am asked what is my discipline and I say indiscipline. GMs of the bank, Aneja ji, late Aneja ji, and also Mr. Vishwanathan, who are going to tell us about the banking operations of Hyderabad State Bank of Hyderabad, which started life as Hyderabad State Bank. We will see more about this later. But due to this very sad, unfortunate incident, we are not able to receive them, but we have Nagraj sir who is in charge of the building. And let me tell you, this State Bank of Hyderabad is a marvel. It is no less than visiting the Taj Mahal. Because when you look at the building techniques and you look at the commission and the passion that has gone into this building, we want to be there every day. So we are very happy that you are here.